So I want to share with you the absolute dumbest way that I figured out how to make $10, $15, $20,000, $25,000 per month in my teens and 20s without a college degree. I do not recommend this for you, but I use this exact framework to make my first $10,000 when I started my lawn care business, $15,000 when I started selling high ticket tree removal as a salesman, and most importantly, $20,000, $25,000 currently selling life insurance. I don't recommend you do this, but here's what I did. I literally would start businesses. If people told me not to do it, I would want to do it. I was so innocent. I was so hungry. I just wanted to find ways to make money where I would not listen to the negative feedback. When I got into the life insurance business, people said that people are going broke, but I even listened to it. I realized that most people will jump into businesses and then jump out quickly because they'll listen to the negative feedback. They'll consume the content. They'll consume all the negative things, the problems, and they'll dwell on all these negative aspects, which will prevent you from actually succeeding. But if you're just dumb, innocent, and want to find ways and you're hungry, you can make money in any industry. And that's what I did. I jumped in, I figured it out, and want to be like all those people that succeeded.